I want to share a little about why I do this work. Not as a resume and not as a story of survival, but as context. For many years, my life looked functional on the outside. I was capable, responsible, holding things together. But inside, I was living with the long-term impact of trauma, emotional harm, financial instability, and relationships that required me to disappear in order to keep the peace. I've been married twice. I've raised children while living in a climate of fear and unpredictability. Later, I entered another relationship that slowly eroded my sense of safety, trust, and self. What I learned through those experiences is something many women never heard named. Leaving the crisis does not automatically restore clarity. Safety does not instantly bring peace, and freedom does not immediately tell you who you are now. There is often a quiet, confusing space afterward. That space is where many women have found themselves untethered. Not in danger anymore, but not grounded yet either. And I know that space well. When I finally turned inward, the work wasn't about fixing myself. It was about understanding myself, learning how my body responded to stress, reconnecting with my values, noticing how often I had abandoned my own needs to keep everything else afloat. Over time, something steady returned, and not perfection, and not certainly about everything, but self-trust, clarity, a sense of steadiness, and choice in my own life. I do this work because I believe women deserve support after survival. When the world expects you to be fine, but something inside still feels unsettled. My work is grounded, respectful, and paced. It honors the body, the nervous system, and the wisdom that lives inside each woman. If you're here because you're rebuilding, reorienting, or quietly asking what comes next, you're not alone. This channel is part of that conversation.